Hello there. In this quick video, I want to show you how to manage access to your WordPress website or its content based on the user geographical location with Advanced Access Manager WordPress plugin. Now, all the things that I'm going to be showing you here is actually a premium features, and they are available for purchase on our aamportal.com website. All right, so let's dive in. Here I have a bare bone minimum WordPress website, nothing crazy, just one page, French guest, because in this demo, I will show you how to define access controls to your page based on user country. All right, now when we go to AAM, all right, let me move this. On the settings, there is a geo-lookup settings tab. Here, you can choose four different providers that we are integrated with that do the actual IP to geo data conversion. All four we've found very reliable, and they come with the free tiers. IP API is we chose as a default because it does not require API key, so it means you don't have to go and create an account, and it also comes with a decent rate limit. If you expect a high traffic to your website, we recommend to go and upgrade to premium. You can choose any of those four. At the time of recording this video, we are not affiliated with any of those providers. We chose them through extensive research of providers, and we found them very reliable and consistent. So we're going to leave IP API as a default provider, and we simply enable this feature. Now, when we go to post and terms, okay, first of all, how are we going to define access controls? For the French guest page, we will restrict direct access for all visitors except those that are coming from France. So on AAM, first thing you need to do is to switch to manage visitors, because you can manage or you can define these access controls for any role, user, visitors, or even default for everybody at once. So in our case, we're going to be focusing only on visitors. On a top left corner, you're going to see visitor anonymous. Now on a post and terms, let's drill down to pages. And here we go. We have a French guest page. Scroll to the bottom. There is a reference check option. So we select it. The first rule that we will create is to deny access to this page for all countries. Asterisk or wildcard target all countries. We'll create that rule first, and then we create the next rule, friends, and we will allow. And you can add as many rules as you want. There is no limitation, so you can add as many countries as you want, or as many. As you can see, there is plenty of options you can choose from. All right, so that does the trick. One thing what it will do, because you can see I'm on my local computer, so I want to, and the local computer has its own local IP address. So I want to set the IP address that is based on where I'm located. So if I go to Google, my IP address, let me get my IP address. Here we go, this is my IP address. So the test IP address allows you to enforce certain IP address while you're testing your website. So when you come to your website, this IP address will be chosen just for testing purposes. All right, so now if I go to all pages and copy this link to the page and go in incognito as a guest. Access is denied. Now, let's do this. Let's French IP address. What the IP address for France? All right, let's choose this IP address, for example, and we're going to go to AAM, settings, so now I'm enforcing IP address for like a French IP address, and voila. Now anybody who has who is coming from France will be able to access this particular page. Now, it's not only just specific page that you can define access to. You can do that for entire post type, let's say for all posts. You can do the same thing. You can do that not only just for all posts or all pages or any custom post type. You can do it for any category. So posts that belong to any particular category, you can define access controls similarly. Or you can define for any URL on your website. Let's say it can be URL to any static page. It can be URL to any file. You can do that on URL access. At the bottom, you're going to see very similar options. So that's how you can manage access to your WordPress website and its content based on geographical location. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always submit a contact form directly from a plugin right here, or from our website, amportal.com. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.